Hey all, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and like this channel button. Join our community for the finance topic. We are today diving into the crucial topic which is private equity. So we'll discuss on this series about the types, flow, distribution cycle and what are the crucial topic of private equity. And at last we'll discuss about the most trending topic is private equity waterfall and many more terms as well. Whether you are investor or the finance student, our just uh, curious about how the return flow in the private equity, and this video will help you out clear your doubt as well. So let's get start with the private equity. So what is private equity? So in short, the private equity is a alternative investment in which investor purchase the share of any company or any business in privately. Means this is not listed in any market in secondary. So let's understand again. Invest private company means which are not listed in stock market, and they invest on the equity, not debt of the company. Invest in the young company, startup firm, or maybe the established business or the distressed firm is the main part of a private equity. Invest in delist company to change management to improve the financial performance of the company. Active involvement and advisory and management restructure that exists for the period of 0 to 10 year. So this cycle will run for the 0 to 10 year or 0 to 5 year standard way. So let's, before wasting our time, we'll discuss about the flow as well. So private equity flow start with the fund manager. A fund manager is who helps to raise the fund. So first, to run the business or to run the private equity firm, we have to find a partner who can invest in this fund. So for example, a private equity firm has been established and the fund name is ABC fund. So usually in private equity there are two types of partner. One is general partner and other is the limited partner, GP and LP. So we'll discuss deeply on the GP and LP very shortly. So GP is a play the role of a management or operation, means he handle all the fund management and operation activity. For that he charge the management fee. So management fee are the standard 2%, and he give the advisory solution and the target company to invest, like he play the role of a fund manager as well. For, on other hand, if we discuss about the LP, so LP is a limited partner. So limited partner are not a retailer partner like us individual. They collect money from the high network investor like HNI, university, or the PF India, or maybe the insurance company, and many more who have the fund to invest at a larger scale, minimum 5 crore. So this how the private equity flow will work. So this how my first session is closed now. We'll meet you on the next session. Thank you so much for watching. We'll release the next session with the same subject line. Thank you so much for watching.